Hey, what's up, everybody? So, I just want to say thank you to anyone that took the course survey that I put out not too long ago. It's really going to help me know what topics you all want to learn so I know what kind of content to create. So, I just want to go over what we've got going here. These are the results from the survey, which I'm going to be cutting off today so people won't be able to take the survey anymore. And I will put out more surveys in the future with more topics so we can find out what the next course should be in the next course, etc. Okay, so starting from the bottom, the least wanted topic was Facebook authentication with Passport and Express.js. That was pretty surprising to me. I would have thought that one would have been pretty popular. So what I probably will do for that topic, since I already have that app created, is I might just make a quick run-through video of the app, not actually like step-by-step typing everything out, but just showing you where everything is. So if you want to go download that repository from GitHub, then you'll know where things are and what you need to plug into it. So the next one is reviewing reviews and ratings app with Express.js. So if you're coming from Colt's Web Developer Bootcamp, this would be just adding like star ratings and reviews to the Yelp Camp application. Some people obviously wanted it, but it's just not as popular as the other topics, so I'm going to push that back in the queue, and I'll do that at a later time. So then we have Ruby on Rails for beginners ties up with sorting algorithms with JavaScript. Ruby on Rails would be pretty involved. I'd probably teach you how to like build something useful while teaching you all the different aspects of it. So like build a blog app is pretty common, or just build some type of website. So that was tied up with sorting algorithms with JavaScript. So that would be like bubble sort, and there's a bunch of different sorting algorithms that I could go through, and the bubble sort's one of the easiest ones, and then it kind of increases in complexity from there. So both of those tied for the second most popular, but definitely winning by a bit of a long shot here is integrating Stripe payment portal with Express.js. So this one is fairly easy to do. So this will be my next video. It's probably going to be kind of like a mini series cut up into several short videos, or if I can do it in one like digestible like 20 or 30 minute video, I'll do that. And then I'll be putting this up on the DevSprout.io website, and that's where it will be available for purchase. I want it to be accessible to everybody, so it won't be very expensive. And once that's done, then I'll try to work through some of the other topics in order of which ones are the most popular. So that's it. I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I appreciate anybody that took the survey. And if you didn't get a chance to take this one, then just keep an eye out for videos in the future where I'll be putting up more Google surveys asking which topics that you want to learn. All right, thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.